sympathy and trust abounding. No more forces or divisions, golden living rooms of vision. And the mind to liberation.
We're closer than pages that stick in a book. We're closer than ripples that play in a brook. Wherever you find him, you'll find me, just look. Closer than a miser or a bloodhound to lies of me.
We're closer than small when it clings to LA. We're closer than JFK.
Not a soul can bust this team in two. We stick together like glue.
And when it's sleeping time,
that's when we ride.
We start to swing
to the sky.
Our clocks don't chime.
What a surprise.
They ring. A ding ding. Happy New Year me.
And now to repeat what I said at the start. They need a large crowbar to break us apart. We're alone but far from blue.
Where is the love? 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 Where is the love you said you'd give to me soon as you were free? Will it ever be? Where is the love? I've been crying, cause I'm lonely for you. Smiles have all turned to tears. Tears won't wash away the fears. Though you never ever connected to ease the fire that within me burns. Keeps me crying, baby, for you. Keeps me sighing, baby, for you. So won't you hurry? Come on now, see about me. See about me. See about you, baby. See about me. Stop right now and listen to your heart.
Listen to your heart, hear what it's saying.
Can't you see that it's not too late?
Listen to your heart, hear what it's saying.
Stop right now, it's not too late. Listen to your heart, hear what it's saying. Stop to your heart, hear what it's saying. Listen to your heart, hear what it's saying. Stop
And look and listen to your heart, hear what it's saying. Stop and look and listen to your heart, hear what it's saying. Love.
He was a famous trumpet man from out Chicago way. He had a boogie style that no one else could play. He was the top man at his craft. But then his number came up and he was gone with the draft. He's in the army now, above a reveille. He's the boogie woogie bugle boy at Company B. They made him know a bugle for his Uncle Sam. It really brought him down because he couldn't chant. The guy would seem to understand. Because the next day the cap went out and tapped in a band. And now the company jumps when he plays reveille. He's the boogie woogie bugle boy at Company B. I toot, he blows the day to the bar. In boogie rhythm, he can't blow a note unless the bass guitar is playing with them. He makes a company jump when he plays reveille. He's the boogie woogie bugle boy at Company B.
He was on Boogie Woogie Bugle Boy, Company B. And when he plays Boogie Woogie Bugle, he was busy as a little bee. Now when he plays, he makes the company jump and ain't to the bar. He's the Boogie Woogie Bugle Boy, Company B. Toodle-toodle-yada, toot, toot, he blows the neck to the bar. Can't blow a note unless the bass and guitar playing with them. And the company jumps when he plays reveille. He's the Boogie Woogie Bugle Boy, Company B.
Go! Blow that horn, Daddy!
Blow, Daddy!
Yeah!
Smoke it!
Make that noise! Woo!
puts the boys to sleep with boogie every night, and wakes them up the same way in the early crack. They clap their hands and stamp their feet, because they know how he plays, so someone gives him a beat. He really breaks it up when he gets reveling.